Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your source. Make a quick copy of the sheet, then focus on the name column. First, clean text. Use trim to remove extra spaces and apply upper or lower to standardize case so duplicates match reliably. Once done, add a helper column if needed. Place equals unique range to preview unique results or choose data remove duplicates to act immediately. Make sure to select headers correctly. This ensures you don't remove the header row by accident. Now deal with trickier cases. When names split across columns, combine them using equals text join. True range so comparisons are uniform. Next, create a flag column with equals countif, full range, cell, or countifs for multi-field matches. Any value greater than 1 marks duplicates. If punctuation or accents differ, apply substitute or rejects replace to strip dots, commas, or diacritics before counting. This two-step normalize then count approach catches false negatives and gives you a clear removal plan. Finish by filtering the helper flag where count is greater than 1, then delete duplicate rows or copy the unique list back to replace the column. Decide whether to keep the first occurrence or sort by timestamp to keep newest. Once done, validate by counting unique values with equals counta, unique range. If numbers don't match expectations, inspect for hidden characters. Rerun trim and clean, then reapply normalization. A single unseen character can prevent duplicates from matching, so don't skip that step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.